What's up, y'all? My name is Zion, and welcome to my 2023 Ultimate Dream Desk Setup. As a photographer, a graphic designer, and a gamer, I wanted to make sure that this desk setup was good for both productivity and for gaming. With that being said, let's get into the first thing that makes this setup, the desk. For the desk, I went with the Autonomous Smart Desk Core. I got it in the classic XL size, and I got the matte white colorway. This desk comes in at $849. It's a sit-stand desk and it can lift up to 270 pounds. It also comes with 4 keypad settings that's programmable to your liking. For my main monitor, I use a Dell 34-inch ultra-wide curved display. I use this monitor mainly when I'm editing any of my work. It's really good for productivity because it's so long, so you can have multiple workspaces and you can reference things right next to each other because you can have multiple screens up. It's really good for work. Behind this monitor, I have 2 Govee light bars that reflect RGB off of the wall panels that I have. It just makes like this cool, colorful pattern effect that I like. I have this mounted on an AVLT monitor arm. It's really sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's gonna topple over or anything like that. It can hold up to 38 inches and this is 34, so it's perfect. For my second monitor that is not really like a monitor, it's actually like this big tablet, is my XP Pen Artist 22E Pro. It comes with a pressure sensitive pen that I like to use for retouching my work or if I'm doing illustration work on my designs. I like it because I can really blow up the certain areas and get in there with the pen to retouch. What I work off of is a 16-inch M1 Pro MacBook Pro with 16 gigabytes of memory and 512 gigabytes of SSD storage. I've had this for over a year now and it's pretty much tackled every problem that I've thrown at it. I've been editing my pictures off of it, editing my videos off of it. It's been a tank. For the keyboard, I went with a Keychron K3 wireless mechanical keyboard. I changed the switches out because I like a more clicky sound when I type. Here's a quick typing test. This keyboard has cool RGB lighting presets. Here are a couple of them. I usually keep it on one, like a certain one that I really like. The mouse that I use is the Logitech MX Master 3. This has a few programmable buttons and wheels that makes my editing process way easier. I also like how it feels in the hand, and you can sync up to 3 devices that you can switch back and forth between with just a single button click on the back. For editing and storage, I use a SanDisk 2TB Extreme Pro portable SSD. It gets up to 2,000 megabytes per second of read and write speeds, and it comes in at around $200. It's also dust and water resistant, and it's been with me for like going on 4 years now, so it's very durable. I haven't had any problems with it. I'll definitely be investing in getting another one. Currently for speakers, I use a Amazon Echo on my desk and an Echo Dot on the side of my room mounted on the wall. They're pretty self-explanatory. The mic that I use is the Blue Yeti USB microphone. I use this when I'm recording most of my audio when I'm not using my DJI mics. I have this mounted on the Rode PSA-1 mic arm. I use a Habata ergonomic office chair, but I don't recommend because as good as it looks, it's not that comfortable. My cable management isn't the greatest, but I did the best that I could at the moment with some zip ties. To power everything, I use a surge protector that I found on Amazon with 11 outlets. That's pretty much it for the productivity side of my desk setup. Now let's get into the gaming. Alright, so this is the gaming portion of my setup. Right now I'm gaming on the Xbox Series X. I have plans on building a PC to add it there, but for right now I game on the Xbox. The controller that I use is the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. I like this controller a lot because it has 4 back paddles and it also has really good trigger stops. I also use this in conjunction with the Control Freaks thumb grips. I play a lot of FPS and fighting games, so this is a perfect match for me. The headsets that I use are the Astro A40s. When I'm playing FPS games, these come in clutch to hear enemy footsteps clearly. I've had these for a couple years now. They're very reliable and comfortable still. And there you have it, that's the setup. I plan on upgrading this setup over time, so I want to get things like a headphone stand, a low profile mic arm, and I actually want to build a gaming PC. Also, I definitely want to make my cable management better. So be on the lookout for a setup update video in the future. All the products that I have here are linked down below in the bio. And if you like the setup or this video, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech videos. I'm out.